Okay guys, so we had some breaking news today. Really quick video. I want to talk about this because we have talked about Luckin on the main channel before. And today we actually had, confirmation that Luckin Coffee has filed for bankruptcy protection. Now, I want to specify on the word protection because they aren't liquidating. They are going into Chapter 15 bankruptcy. And if you're not familiar, Chapter 15 bankruptcy is actually for insolvent companies with assets and or operations located in two or more countries. So this is a Chinese company, and they are looking to restructure, I believe. So it says here that they filed for it. Chinese rival to Starbucks said Friday that it's negotiating with stakeholders regarding the restructuring of its financial obligations to strengthen its balance sheet and to allow it to emerge as a growing concern. The company filed Chapter 15 bankruptcy protection, which allows a foreign company to file bankruptcy in the U.S. open court system. Luckin has also said during this time their stores will remain open during restructuring. So one thing I want to clarify here, because a lot of people get confused. They see the word bankruptcy and they're like, okay, that's it. The company's done. And that could be the case. That could be the outcome of this whole proceeding here. But the purpose is, with this Chapter 15, they're actually trying to financially restructure the company. They're trying to make sure the company can actually still survive. They're trying to, maybe sell off some debt, some obligations, spin parts of the business off. We'll have to wait and see how this plays out. But it isn't necessarily the end of Luckin Coffee. That being said, if you're a shareholder of Luckin Coffee stock, you could get wiped out in this process. Typically, during these sort of filings, shareholders are wiped out and new shares are issued and the stock trades like nothing happened ever before. So if you are holding Luckin Coffee stock, this should be of concern to you, because now things are getting serious. They're filed for protection, and if part of the restructuring process means that they're going to wipe out shares, guess what? They're going to wipe out shares. The stock did not react good to this. It was down 45% today. And I mean, understandably so, right? Like, investors aren't going to hold on to this if there's a real risk now of this just going poof. And if you look at the last few months in Luckin Coffee, it's actually done pretty decently well. It's up 500%. So if you bought Luckin like 6 months ago, you'd be up over 500%. So even after today's drop, you'd still be up 200%. So I mean, probably not a bad idea to cash out. Not financial advice, but hey, not a bad idea to cash out. Look at 1 year. This is where the stock was before that whole issue with fraud came out and all that stuff. So we're still well off of those highs. I don't think we're ever going to get back to those highs, at least not in this form of the company. Maybe if they restructure and they come back, possible. But yeah, it looks like the story here for Luckin Coffee, at least for now, is over. I just want to throw this out there because I know a lot of you guys do hold Luckin Coffee. They were accused of fabricating a lot of sales. They were lying about how well they were doing. They're a big Starbucks competitor, and apparently because their stores are so busy in China, Starbucks should have been worried. But once all of this surfaced, things just went down the drain. Starbucks has just continued doing fine. In fact, Starbucks, I believe, was actually up today, probably on this news. Take a look here. Yeah, Starbucks up another 2.74%, probably on the news that Luckin's, filed for bankruptcy, because hey, investors are like, now there's less competition for Starbucks in China, and this $125 billion market cap may actually still be cheap for this business. One of my favorite stocks here is Starbucks, so hey, maybe I'm a bit biased. But anyways, guys, quick video. If you're holding Luckin shares, think about it. Bankruptcy protection, this is some serious stuff. Shares do get wiped out in a lot of cases with these proceedings. So maybe you're a shareholder now, but if they decide to wipe out shares, you won't be a shareholder anymore. So I would consider selling if possible. Anyways, not financial advice. Hope you didn't get caught up in all of this mess, but either way, thank you so much for watching, guys. Wish you all the best. Don't forget to invest positively, and I'll see you in the next one.